Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Stay tuned, sit back and relax. I will show you another recipe for today. So if you like this recipe, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette for more videos to watch. And click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. So this is now ready to serve. This is corned beef, tortang corned beef with eggs and veggies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bye-bye. Hi guys, this is my egg omelette. I'm going to add garlic powder, paprika powder, and this is the black pepper, and I have here my onions, paprika, and cherry tomato. Then I have here the corned beef. I'm going to add on the top. Look at here. So we will press the corned beef and mix it here in the mix it together. Guys, we will add this cherry tomatoes to decorate this here on the top. Cherry tomatoes, okay. So this is our torta, and we will add these onions on the side para siya gumanda, so more attractive. And I have here the paprika. So this is now our tortang corned beef with cherry, tomato, onions, and paprika. I hope guys you like this video. So this is now ready to serve. This is corned beef, tortang corned beef with eggs and veggies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next cooking time with Leytenia. Bye-bye.